Hey guys, it's Ed. I just wanted to finally show you the house after all the renovation. I know I've sent you stills, but Susan been asking for a video for a while, so hopefully this comes out. So obviously this is the front. We have a nice little hammock between two trees, which provides a lot of shade, which is great. For Sarah to hold it open for me. So as you come in, first of all, there's Bruce. As you come in, there's Sarah's room right there. Wave, Sarah. Yeah, so it's like a 12 by I think 14 room, so it's a pretty good size. Then she has closets on that side of the room. Pretty big double closet. I won't open it because this is, you don't want to see that. Here's Caitlin's room when she's here. Again, same size room. It's kind of got a picture windows you can see in the front of the house. So pretty nice view. Another double closet. Here's their bathroom. As you can see, she's been cleaning. You can take a look here. So pretty much everything was painted before we moved in. And then those are the floors, which came out great. So let me show you the garage real quick. Just opening those doors for you. So I made this workbench when we first moved in. Try to organize a little bit. Unfortunately, it's one of those garages with a double door, so we had this stinking thing in the middle, which is terrible. But I don't know if we'll ever be able to get a car in here. But whatever, I have shelves all over the place to organize all of our junk. So there it is. All right. All right, so as you walk in, this is what they call a flex room right here. So this actually serves as a bedroom in Lauren's home. This is her room. There's the things that Kim made me a couple years ago for my birthday. So actually, Vince gave me these postcards. She made them. She put them together to to make these cool little pictures. So it's pretty good size room. It's got vaulted ceilings and nice wooden floors. All right, so this obviously is the main room, the main living room. So it's a pretty big space. This room is like 20 by 20, which is pretty nice. So there's plenty of room here. These are the new counters that we got. You can actually put stools there or chairs there. We don't have any right now, but I guess when we have company, we'll get some more. We have some on this side. So it's actually pretty roomy. You can fit 4 on the other side as well. There's plenty of room because there's like a 1.5 feet behind the sink. So it's a nice granite countertop. They did a real nice job matching the stones because I guess it's two different sheets. So it's a good job with that. So this room is probably going to be a little cluttered, but this is our pantry / laundry room. So it's actually a pretty big room. So we have plenty of storage here. And then our laundry. Alright, so next we're going to go into the master bedroom. So this is just to the left of the kitchen. Once again, we have nice wood floors, nice window seat. This is a pretty good sized room as well. And then here is the bath. It's actually pretty small, quite a bit smaller than our older one. So for this mirror, I put the frame around there, you know, right when he moved in, because it was a plain mirror, so it was, you know, a little dated looking. So that looks a little better. And with this closet, they actually had only one row of shelves on either side, so I added another row of shelves to kind of maximize the space, because there's no way all of our junk would fit in the other closet. So here's a little powder room, you know, simple. Okay, and then I'll take you outside real quick to show you what we've done with the backyard, because we actually put a lot of work into it. It was totally blank when you first moved in, and now it's not. Hey, buddy. So this is a covered porch. It's like 8 by 15. It looks really small here because of the angle on the phone, but it's actually a pretty good size. We're gonna screen this porch in about 3 weeks or so. And we're actually gonna get a new patio set so that we have, you know, couches and like a little table rather than such a big table. But I'll show you what the garden's coming along and looking like. So some of the plants are really liking it back here. Others not so much. If you remember, this little swing or love seat came from the house in Palos. So we've had that for a long time. This stained glass thing, Kim's like addicted to this thing called buy nothing. So she finds, you know, things that people are just giving away, and that's one of her finds. In fact, a lot of these plants that we got from here in this garden were free, which is awesome. So they're like what they call a friendship garden, I guess. A lot of our friends kind of give her plants to plant, and that is about it. All right. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.